Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be demonstrating a quick step-by-step tutorial on how to change your windshield wiper blades on a 2006 Infiniti G35 Coupe. So let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to prop your windshield wiper blade up. You're going to want to turn it parallel to this little hook right here. And from here what you want to do is you want to look inside, pull this little thingamajig up, and then from there it just slides down. Alright, and as you can see, we're able to get that blade off. There's no more like material left, so it's about time I change it. It did start scratching my windshield a little bit. So for the driver's side, it's a 24-inch. On the passenger side, it's a 17-inch. What you want to do is you want to open up the box. So you're going to be taking everything out, and you're going to be like me wondering, what do I do with this? So this doesn't really matter in our case because the design is a hook. This is meant for like other designs, and if you look in the instructions, we got the hook. So all we really need to do is just latch it onto the actual hook. And if you were to have another design, let's say like if you were had this design, then you would implement these other pieces that we have right there. So this we could discard for now. We don't have to worry about it. And so what you're gonna want to do is get your new blade, and then you're gonna do so like this. Latch that onto there, and just slides right in. Press it into there, and it should be nice and sturdy, and boom. And then the same thing goes for the other side. It's a lot shorter. This is the 17-inch. Swing that up, parallel. Unhook it right here. Slide it down. Comes right out. Get this out the box. So like I said, you won't necessarily be needing any of the components that were in there. The instructions were pretty helpful. I looked at the instructions before I attempted this. And then with this, just slide it right there. Pops in. I want to take these little white pieces out. I forgot to do that on the other one. And boom, there you have it.